We are after the lunkers today. We're talking 5 pounds. Let's go catch a giant trout. Let's do this. Fish on. There we go. Fish on. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, yes. Oh, this is a freaking huge fish. Oh my God. Holy crap, this thing is gigantic. Holy crap. You are going to want to wait to the end of this video to see what I caught at the very end of the trip. I thought it was over, and oh my God. Big trout. One of the biggest I've caught in a really long time. Worth the wait. Can you hear the quiet? It's just amazing. It's been a good day. Time to celebrate. Oh yeah. You know, as I'm sitting here enjoying my cigar, the sun's gone down, just reflecting back on an incredible day of fishing. Started out a bit of a surprise. I came into the parking lot and I was like, what the heck? My secret lake. It's no longer a secret. There's probably 5 other fishermen here, but all's good. Everyone here was super friendly and everyone was catching some big fish. Guy behind me has just an absolute tank on. Oh my God. Fish on. My day started out kind of slow. I got into my first really nice cutthroat on the other side of the lake on a chironomid. There we go. Fish on. He came back. Nice. It didn't feel like a big lunker, but I'll take it. Nice fish. Very nice. You don't often catch cutthroat stripping in a chironomid, but, you know, take it. Oh, the water's cold. Pretty fish. Look at this guy. After that, I got into this little window, right? You've probably had experiences like this to where you haven't got anything for a couple hours and all of a sudden it's just like almost like a fish on frenzy. I must have caught, I think, 3 fish on the chironomid in this one spot, just missing takedowns, and finally hooked up and caught some nice football-sized trout. And the cool thing was they were starting to get larger and larger as the day progressed. Oh, shit. I lost all of it. Even the indicator is gone. It swam away. Must have broke at my surgeon knot. It's nothing worse than losing fish and an entire setup on a shitty knot. Damn it. You are not going to believe this. Look what I found floating 50 yards away. I kid you not. And wouldn't you know it, all of my stuff is attached to it. I got my entire setup back. It broke right at the surgeon's knot. Yeah. I mean, seriously, has that ever happened to you? I mean, I would love to hear about it if that has, because I broke that fish off way over there. I cannot remember a time that that's happened to where I get everything back. That's nuts. Sweet. And I got my Oros indicator back. Those are hard to find. Let's go catch a fish. There we go. Fish on. Nice. Yeah, another nice little cutthroat. God, they're so spotted up. Nice. All right, buddy. Off you go. Oh, that was a big takedown. Damn it. Still got flies on there though. Oh my God. Again. Oh my God, I missed it again. Oh, how does that happen? That's 3 times now I've missed. There we go. Fish on. Stay on, baby. It's not the big one I was targeting, but I'm not going to complain. That's a nice little rainbow. Nice. Nice fish. Chunky little dude. Check that guy out. Nice little fish. Sweet. On the chironomid. And then finally, we had kind of the big window, right, to where there was another guy in the lake that caught one that was probably, I don't know, close to 30 inches. It was friggin' massive. Guy behind me has just an absolute tank on. Oh my God. Fish on. They were claiming to be 7 pounds, and when I looked across the lake, it looked like it could have very well been that. And all of a sudden, it happened, right? I make the cast, I see a fish kind of milling around, and oh my God, I caught one of those big old lunkers. It wasn't super long, but just super ridiculous fat. There we go. Fish on. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, I think this is one of the monsters. It's a good bend on the rod. Oh, big head shake. Yes. Oh, oh yeah. Holy crap. It's a big fish. Oh man. Oh, he's a lunker. Gotta be careful, I got 4X tippet. Oh man, heavy fish. All right, buddy. Yeah, this is a freaking huge fish. All right. Oh, just fat. Oh my God. Oh. Holy crap, this thing is gigantic. Holy crap. Oh, almost too big for the net. Holy crap. What a chunk. Oh my God, this thing is like just obscenely fat. Holy crap. Wow. Look at the size of this thing. Holy crap. Oh. Wow. It's so big. Oh, the net can barely handle him. This hellbender net, it's giving him everything it's got. Look at this prehistoric fish. Oh. Wow. I'm the last one on the lake, as usual. And I'm going to see if I can catch one more fish before I go. There's a few fish jumping around, and see if maybe you can get one more in the net before I head out. But nothing better, right, than starting your day small, get a little larger, and then finally you hook into the big old tank trout. So much fun. All right, see if I can catch a bonus fish to wrap up tonight. There we go. Fish on. Oh yeah. Bonus fish. It's a big one. Yeah. Head up. Oh yeah. Oh. God. Come on, baby. Don't go down there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this shot. This fish. Oh, this thing is huge. Oh, it gave the hellbender net everything it had. Holy crap. Oh. Look at the size of this fish. So I can even lift it. Look at this thing. Oh. This is a two-hander. That is a huge fish. All right, buddy. Look at this thing. I can't even lift it. Look at this tank. Look at this way. Oh my God. Oh, that thing was massive. Did you see the girth on that thing? Oh my God. That was easy 5 pounds. I mean, it was just a tank. You have to love the bonus fish. So much fun. Thanks for joining me on this trip. And hey, if you want to learn a little bit about stillwater tactics, I'll put a video right here that'll help you catch more fish the next time you fish a lake. All right, till the next time, fish on.